what he does. Oh, that is some strike. That is scintillating six. That's gone all the way. It's flat.
Kind of about to say the temptation will be high. The mid-wicket being only 62 made ahead to go big on this occasion. Straight as an arrow. Nice and flat. That will be a confidence booster.
Oh, that is some hit for six.
Seen Azmat getting a couple of wickets. Delivery of the previous over is using the angle and pace to great effect. Sweet timing, great connection. Looking to build on the pressure. Swings it delightfully away on the onside. Over the boundary.
He's a very good batsman in the middle order. He didn't score runs in the last match, but this time around finding that one in the arc, and pressure or no pressure, he's going to hit his shot. 85 meters.
Wicket as well. Superb ball striking. Outstanding hit. Bangladesh
into the game out here to support Bangladesh, and what a shot that is. Came down the track and caught it with the bounce. That goes far and long. A handsome manner for 88 meter six.
Hamid Hassan there. He's just hammered away. Pace on, and another one dispatched on across the crease, which generated that momentum. A lovely pickup. Secret to that shot, the head position. Zafar Ali prefers square. What a wonderful slog sweep this is. We've seen the bat here, Parvez. Sweet. Wow. That's a 15-6 in the match. We had 17 yesterday. The way Shamim Hussain Patwari and Zafar Ali going about, that's 7-5. This one's helped away and it will break the shackles. Working another maximum.
takes the aggressive route. Goes over the boundary.
Overs, I believe. Nasum certainly one there to claim with that.
Swings, mighty hit. It's there on the roof.
It seems to be raining sixes here this evening in Sharjah. We've had 18 of them, Ramiz, and it's not even that high scored in the counter. He loves it, bowl it. It's exactly where he does look, and he gets more than enough of it. How many sixes have we seen hit like pile on? Bangladesh
Paying the price. Yeah, he covered the center stumps and it was in the slot for a gigantic six. Just the method and